Hello dear students, welcome back to the NCERT Science class of 6th standard. Dear students, in the previous class we have studied the study of light, shadow and reflection, in which we have studied the light, the source of energy which is produced in the sun mainly, which is produced in the luminous bodies. We have studied the luminous meaning of luminous body, the luminous or luminous objects. Those objects are those things which are produces the light are called as the luminous objects. And next, these lights, with the help of these lights, what happens? The light, it forms the shadow and all. See how, based on the formation, based on the passing of light, the materials are classified into three types. The first one is opaque, transparent, translucent. That we have studied the three types of materials. Transparent are those materials through which light passes completely. Then translucent are those materials through which light passes partially. Those materials. The transparent, the example for the transparent is clear glass, shadow glass or window glass. We can see that transparent objects. Translucent means the blurred page, the pages, papers. These are the translucent objects through which light passes partially. The images will not be clear. Next, after this one, the opaque objects are those objects through which light will not passes. First, light passes completely. In case of translucent, light passes partially. In case of opaque, that is, light will not passes. Isn't it? It means the shadow will form when light falls on the surface of the opaque objects. For example, wood, dust, stone and oil. They are materials. Yes. The next study, this one, dear students, today we are going to study about the shadow. See, you know the meaning of shadow. Shadow is a print or appearance formed just behind an object on the screen when the light falls on that object. Once again I will tell you, the shadow is an imaginary image formed on the, shadow is a print formed on the screen due to an object which comes in between the source of light and the screen or opaque object. Once again I will tell you, the shadow is a print formed on the screen of an object when an object comes in between the source of light and the screen. Isn't it? The shadow is mainly of dark. Next, dear students, you may play with the shadow formation. See, dear students, for that we have to do an activity. We have to take an object, we have to take an image, we have to take a substance or any material, fold in between the source of light and the screen. See, on the screen we have to put a blank paper and we have to put the image. We have to put a thing or the material in between the source of light and the screen. Here we have to put on screen, on which we have to put a white blank paper, and next, before the blank paper on the screen, we have to put an object whose image we have to form. Next, we have to put the source of light or torch. When we pass the light from an opaque object, see, the light will not pass from the opaque object. The print will be formed or the shadow will form on the screen, and we have to put the outline. We have to put the outline on the shadows. We will get the image. We will form a picture of that material. Isn't it? With the help of shadow. Next, dear students, another activity is here, that is pinhole camera. Pinhole camera, it is just like a magic. See, in the pinhole camera, we will see the objects inverted. You might have saw here in your textbook. The preparation of pinhole camera they have given. See, what we have to do, we have to take two large size boxes. two large size box we have to take. Here I am now having the box, single box I am having. Here what happens? In one box we have to put one hole, a narrow hole. We have to put a narrow hole in one box. Take another box. Take another box on which we have to make a small square. Small square. The small box should be pass or move into the large box. Is it? Large box, it is not so larger, and small box, it is not so smaller. It should be fit in the large box. In the large box, we have to make a small hole, and in case of small box, we have to make a square. On the square hole or the square surface, we make the square. We have to cut the one end of the small box into a square. Then what happens? On the squares, we have to make the translucent paper or tracing paper. We have to paste the tracing paper, and next that another end we have to make it blank. We have to make it free. See, we have to pass. We have to put the small box in a large box. It should be covered. See what happens, and we have to adjust by moving, and we have to see the object which is present in a sunshine, and when we see towards the sunshine object, see what happens? We will see an inverted image. We will see an inverted image. See what happens? Here on screen, we have to make it hole. In another screen, what I have to do? We have to do one square line. See what happens? That hole we have to put the small box in a large box. We have to move in the large box. What happens? We have to make a hole, and in another box we have to make a square line cut. Then when we move, and we have to see through an object which is present in the sunshine, and what we will see here, and we have to put a black cover or black cloth to our head, and when we see, suppose for example here one tree is there. Suppose here one tree here. Here one tree that is present in the sunshine. Thus, when we see through this square and pinhole or a hole, the plant will appear inverted. Inverted plant we will see. Inverted. The plants you will see as a inverted plant. Inverted, and it blur, erect, inverted, blur image will form on the screen. Or when we see, we will see that inverted image. That is called as the pinhole camera. Understood? We can also prepare the pinhole camera, how he has guided that in your textbook. Isn't it? The next, dear students, you must saw that the light passes through the leaves or the branches of the trees. See, the branches are arranged, the leaves are arranged in a random way. There is no any correct circular hole. When we see the sunlight on the surface, if the sunlight appears, that is in a circular way. And on the ground, see, it is also we can say that it is also an example for the pinhole. See what happens when light passes through the branches of the tree and the leaves. It will scatter and forms a circular, isn't it? Next we can see the objects, far objects also, that should be in the sunshine. And next when we see towards the sun, it is a little bit dangerous. See what happens? Don't go to see over and over. See, when we see towards the sun, and it is better to see during the sun solar eclipse. See, we will get the altered image or inverted image on the cut end of the sun. We will see circular, and which portion of the solar is covered with the moon and all we will see during the solar eclipse. Isn't it? That pinhole is applicable for us to see the solar eclipse and all. Yes? Next, dear students, the light, the way by which the light will travels. See what happens, dear students? Here one activity. We have to take a straight line. We have to take a lamp or a candle. We have to burn it. Light up the candle. We have to take a candle. We have to lighten it. Then take a straight pipe, hollow straight pipe, and see towards this pipe. You will see the candle. Yes. Then next come to the another. Take one more pipe which is bent curve shaped pipe. You have to take curve shaped pipe and try to see the candle through this pipe. Is it possible to see the image of the candle through this bent pipe? No. By this experiment, we come to a conclusion that light travels in a straight line. Every time, light travels in a straight line. Understood? Next, dear students, after this one, the important concept that is reflection. 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 You may play the cricket, or you may saw the cricket. When a bowler bowls to the batsman, see what happens? When he bowls to the batsman, what happens? Bowler, or see during the practice, don't put the ball to the batsman. Throw the ball, take a rubber ball or tennis ball, throw towards the wall, hit to the wall. What happens? When we hit the ball, rubber ball to the wall, what happens? Ball will pass through the wall? No. Ball, what happens? Ball will rebound towards us. Yes? When we hit the ball on the wall, ball will rebound towards us. Yes? Like that. We will discuss an activity. Take a mirror. Take one torch, or stand in a sunshine. Just opposite to the shadow wall, the shadow formed by the wall. Next, take a torch. Best way to torch. Take a torch, and next take a mirror. And next, follow the light of torch on the mirror. What happens? On the opposite way, you will see the bright surface on the wall, on the shadow wall. What happens? The ray of light which you make to fall on the surface of the mirror, that will rebound. That will be rebound. That is called as the reflection. Here what happens? The rebouncing of ray of light from a plane surface or from a shiny surface is called as the reflection. A rebouncing of a ray of light. See, definition we can write. The process of rebouncing of Rebouncing of a ray of light from a plane or shiny surface the process of rebouncing of is called reflection. Reflection is called as reflection. The process of rebouncing of a ray of light from a plane surface or a shiny surface is called as the reflection. See what happens here, students? We are having a plane surface. Suppose for example, a plane surface mirror we are having. See what happens when we falls a ray of light. What happens? The ray of light will rebounce. Ray of light will rebounce. When we fall a ray of light on the plane surface, it will be rebounds. That is called as the reflection. The process of rebouncing of a ray of light from a plane surface or a shiny surface is called as the reflection. Yes? In 7th standard you will study this ray is called as the incident ray. Incident ray, you will study the law of reflection in 7th standard, and this ray is called as the reflected ray. Reflected ray. This one is the incident ray, which incident on a plane surface, and the rebouncing ray is called as the reflected ray. Isn't it? Detailed in study in 7th standard about the reflection, the laws of reflections and all. Isn't it? Next, dear students, here one funny game with the reflection. See what happens, dear students? We have to take a torch. By which we have to pass a light. Next, what happens? On the way, we have to put a cone. Here we have to put a mirror. See what happens? When we pass the surface on that, here we have to put the. See, when the light passes through this cone on the surface screen, what happens? It will be rebounds. Yes, rebounds and forms a pattern, very attractive pattern it forms due to the reflection in your textbook as mentioned. The next, dear students, the remaining we will study in the next class.